Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Karit. So our topic is about how to find the range of rational function. Before we solve for the range of rational function, let us discuss first what is meant by the range of rational function. Okay, so the range of a rational function is the set of all outputs or y values that it produces. Here is how to find the range of a rational function. If we have f of x in the equation, replace it with y. Solve the equation for x. Set the denominator of the resultant equation not equal to 0 and solve it for y. Set of all real numbers other than the values of y mentioned in the last step. Okay, so let us go to the exercises on how we can find the range of a rational function. So our rational function is f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. Okay, so we will just change this f of x to y. So this becomes y is equals to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. Okay, so and it is understood, class, that the y has a denominator of 1. So we will cross multiply. So this becomes y multiplied dito sa 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. And then 1 is multiplied to 2x plus 1. So it becomes 2x plus 1. Okay, so let us multiply this y to 3x and negative 2. So this becomes 3x 3xy. Ito yung y natin. And dito ay negative 2y. Then equals to 2x plus 1. Okay. Kung makikita nyo, ang x dito sa right, negative positive 2x, at saka ditong y naman sa left, negative 2y, itatranspose natin. Itong negative 2y, transpose natin dito sa right, at itong positive 2x ay dito sa left. See, dito, sulat ko lang sa taas. So 3xy rather, 3xy, and sulat natin yung 2x, siya ay tatranspose natin, magiging negative 2x siya. Then equals to, tatranspose natin itong negative 2y, it becomes positive na. Positive 2y plus 1. Ito yung sulat natin, yung 1. And then ilabas natin yung x dito kasi common sila sa left. So ang IR dito ay x, labas natin siya, so 3y Tsaka dito, sulat natin itong negative 2 equals to 2y, isa na sa 2 ko, plus 1 plus 1, then divide both sides by this 3y. Magiging denominator na itong 3y minus 2. 3y minus 2. Mabalang. So, pwede nating makancel na ito saka dito. So, what is left now is x. X is equals to 2y plus 1 over dito sa 3y erase lang muna natin, di ma-erase 3y minus 2. Next, let us equate this denominator 3y minus 2. Equate natin to 0. So 3y minus 2 ay sorry minus 2 equate to 0. Okay, so 3y transpose natin itong negative 2, this becomes positive 2, divide both sides by 3, okay, so we can cancel this 3 dito sa 3. So what is left is y is equals to 2 over 3. Okay, so we can now write the range. So our range would be this is our range is equals to all the values of y such that y is the element of a real number except that y should not equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so yan ang paghanap ng range ng rational function. Sana mayroon kayong natutunan dito sa video ito at salamat sa inyong panonood.